Okay, so the one thing I've noticed about Joy, good girl, is when she's distracted, she quits shaking. So what does that mean? What does it mean about our own minds when we start getting nervous and anxious and worried? Yes. Good girl. Yes. Whenever she hears something outside or looks off to concentrate on something else, she quits shaking. It might be a telltale sign for those of us that tend to have anxiety and worry, and I think we've all felt exactly what Joy's feeling. Good girl. If you've dealt with it at all, panic attacks or anxiety or worry, even if you weren't shaking visibly, which you may have been, you're most likely shaking on the inside and feeling exactly like her. Good girl. So what she's learning is to distract herself more, be focused on other things and what's bothering her. Yes, good girl. And I used to think that animals were easy to train because everything means something. So you just have to figure out the desire that you want or the result that you want. Figure out what reaction is getting it. I'm starting to believe that humans are the same way. Go ahead and post your 3 things you're grateful for today. And really focus on distracting yourself from the things that are making you shake and quake and feel uncomfortable. Just like Joy. Have a great day.